and welcome to Home Decor 101. If this is your first time here, I am so happy. Welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So, as the summer heat peaks, August brings a blend of warmth and anticipation for the approaching fall. This month is perfect for refreshing your home decor with vibrant sun-kissed colors and airy fabrics to keep your spaces cool and inviting. Embrace the spirit of August by truly incorporating elements inspired by late summer blooms and outdoor gatherings. Remember notable events like back to school season and National Relaxation Day on August 15th to provide great inspiration for creating both functional and serene spaces. Join us as we explore beautiful room designs that really capture the essence of August, making your home a perfect summer retreat.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.